What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be teaching you a very basic color change. Let's do it. So hopefully, as you could tell from the performance, this is actually quite an easy color change. So on top of the deck, right, with the deck face up, you're going to want the card that you're going to change. And on the bottom of the deck, which is still the deck still face up, you want the card that you're changing into. Okay, so if we're changing the 8 of diamonds to the 8 of clubs. So now performing the move is actually quite simple. So pretty much high level overview right now. We're going to take this bottom card using our right hand. If you're holding the deck in your left hand, we use our right hand. We're pretty much grabbing the bottom card with these 3 fingers, your middle, ring, and pinky finger, like this. You're grabbing the card, pulling it forward and out, and you're just putting it on top, and then you're squaring it up. So going in slow motion, it pretty much looks, oh yeah, messed that up. Now going in slow motion, it pretty much looks like that. That's all there really is to it. But so breaking it down a little more, okay, if we're going here from the side view, we're going to come over here, we're going to grab with these fingers. I usually keep my pointer finger here also for support. I grab with these 3, pull it forward and out until this card clears the deck. And then usually I bend these fingers up, these fingers here, I usually bend them up. This way, once you clear the deck, it goes up, and then you just put it back, put your thumb back, and square. Okay, so doing this from the front, it actually looks fairly convincing. And that is pretty much all there is to the color change. And now just one extra note to add for color changes in general. When you're doing a color change, you want to make sure that the card you're changing and what you're changing into is generally like a good change. So if I was going from, for example, 3 of spades to the 4 of spades, it wouldn't really be as effective of a change as if I went from 4 of spades to the 9 of diamonds, or queen of diamonds, right? So when you're doing color changes, try to make sure that the cards you're changing have a good difference. Otherwise, people who aren't really paying a lot of attention will be like, nothing happened. Okay, so just wanted to add that one tip for you guys. And that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys can use this color change in your tricks, routines, or whatever else you use your color changes for. So that being said, as always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out my social media links down in the description below for all my status updates, and I will see you in my next video. Welcome to the end screen. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe, because subscribing is good. Thanks for watching.